How to extend a song on Suno AI. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can extend a song on Suno AI. In order to do so, first of all, you'll need to open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in suno.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press and enter to search for it. And within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Suno AI. Here, you will need to ensure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here, you will be able to see various songs available on this platform. From here, you will need to choose the song for which you would like to extend. You may also scroll down to find one. And once you get it, you will need to simply click on the three dots icon at the right bottom of that song. By doing so, a pop-up will appear with some options. From here, you will need to move your cursor to this create option and then you will be able to see some more options in the next pop-up. Here, you will need to select this extend option. Click on it. By doing so, now you will be taken to a new interface. Here now, you will need to enter your lyrics in this text box. Click on the text box and enter your lyrics. Once you have entered your lyrics, after entering the lyrics, you may also click on this Write with Suno option right here. You can type in your own lyrics, or if you want to use Suno with AI to write your lyrics, then you may click on this Write with Suno option, and in this pop-up here, you will need to describe the lyrics you'd like. Enter your lyrics and click on this Write lyrics right here. After that, you will need to wait for a while. Once after doing that, you will be presented with two different lyrics. From here, you will need to select one of these. Click on this Accept this option at the bottom of the lyrics and then you will be able to see the lyrics in this text box. Now, you will need to scroll a bit down. Here, if you want to change the title, you can write it here. And after that, choose the time from where you would like to extend. And once after setting up all these details, click on this Extend button right here. Now, you will need to again wait for a while. And after that, you will see you have successfully extended the song. So, by following these steps, you should be able to extend song on Suno AI. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.